Hello guys. So yesterday we were so tired because Mayan came back from the office and we packed up and we came here. It was a long travel and I gave them macaroons and the cake and everything. They loved it and they've gone to office right now for their work and they'll be back like in another 2 hours or something. And we have been doing our work from since morning. Right now we are eating some lunch because we did not eat anything for lunch. We just had our shake, which is breakfast, which is shake. So right now we are having some hot samosas. He had frozen ones in his freezer, so we just baked them. And yeah, this is what is happening.
Show what Marvel is doing.
Yeah, look at Marvel. So there are toys and a tiny bed inside, so he wants all of those things. Go sleep. Go on your bed. You have your own toy on your bed. No? Anyways, so let's enjoy some wine and eat samosa. It's a beautiful weather outside. It was cold in the morning. It was very cold last night. I mean, yesterday whole day was very cold, but today it's not that cold. It was really hot in the daytime. Let me show you the view from where I'm sitting and what I'm seeing. So that's his patio, and you can see everything outside. Hold on. Yeah, so there's a lake and everything. It's very beautiful. They moved in like I think 1 month back, so they're still adjusting everything and all this stuff. But yeah. Okay guys, so I have to tell it to you right now, I cannot wait anymore. Mayank is down there, you guys can see him, he's waiting there. So my brother and Ashley, they both are getting a brand new puppy. Yes, that is why we are here. We're super excited for them. He's a mix of lab and something we don't know which is the other mix. And it is Marvel crying over here because he can see Mayank standing over there. So he's like, what the hell, daddy? And their car is here. Oh my god, they're here. That's the car. And they just video FaceTimed us and they were like, they got it. So I'm super excited for them. They're gonna come up now and introduce him to Marvel. So happy. Oh my god. Look at that baby. Oh my gosh, she has him in her lap. Oh my god, look at them. Wow, that is so cute. He's gonna pee and then he's gonna come up. Oh, the tiny baby. Marvel, it's okay. It's okay, Marvel. It's okay. Hi. They're right there. He's not even peeing. Hold on, it's kind of blurry. I'm just trying to zoom in. Hold on. I'm sorry about that, guys. Anyways, he's gonna come up, so I'll introduce you to him then. Marvel, it's okay. You don't have to cry. He's going on crying. He's super excited also. It's okay. They're coming. Marvel, they're coming. Oh, he's pooping over there. Anyway, so super excited, waiting for him to come up. Okay, so they are coming up. Mayank is taking him in his arms now, and they're coming up. Oh my god, look at them. Yes, he is coming up. Mommy and Daddy are coming behind them. There he is. A good look. Marvel, come here.
Marvel.
Shh! Easy! Hey, no! Marvel, no jumping on her, please. Marvel, calm down. I think he didn't even see Astro. Marvel, enough.
Marvel,
Okay.
meet Astro. No.
Sit! Sit!
Sit.
I know you can smell Astro. Sit!
Sit.
Marvel, sit.
Sit. I know. I know.
Marvel, oh my god.
Yes. Yes. Easy. Easy. Is that yes, yes, I can see your tail. Hello, and you're not offensive. Sit. Come here. Meet Astro.
Can you meet Astro? I know you're happy.
This is how Astro will be once you guys will.
Marvel, no, come here.
Sit.
Come on.
I know.
Oh my
I know.
god.
Sit.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
He doesn't care about the small dog.
Marvel.
And that's Astro's stuff.
You want to play? I know.
Go and keep it in the store. He'll just, otherwise he'll keep taking it, trying to take it from you.
Sit, sit, sit.
Where is his bed? Keep his bed down, please. Yes. I know.
Oh
Here,
my
puppy,
god.
here.
You don't have to cry, baby.
Yes.
Oh my god.
You
should
want to sit in Marvel's bed?
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at them. Hey, easy, Marvel.
Sit, sit.
Easy.
Marvel, did you see Astro? He's in your bed. He wants to play with. Oh.
Oh my god. He's scared. Don't be scared. He's just a baby.
No. It's okay. Yeah. No. Easy. Good boy. Are you playing with him already? Yes. Are you playing with him? See, he's such a good boy. Yes, he's trying to give you kisses.
Sit.
Look at him over here.
Sit. Sit.
Yes, Astro is here.
Yes, that is your bed.
When he jumps.
It's okay. Yes. Okie dokie, here is the little surprise. The little bundle of joy. You stay there, don't eat the cake. You already attempted once. And here they are. So they are gonna cut this cake with the little paws on it that we baked. So no.
Marvel, please,
Okay,
no.
that's a huge.
You come here.
Okay.
I'll give you
Okay,
one.
so you guys are gonna let's cut the cake.
Yay.
You wanna take pictures with phone or something?
Congratulations.
It's celebrations. We got Astro in our house. Yay!
That's strong.
Yes, yes, you're gonna get some. No sugar for him.
No sugar for him.
Uh-huh. It's for the mommy.
It's a little one. Goodbye.
Cheers!
Oh my god, it's so good.
Anna?
Woo!
So that didn't turn out that bad.
No, that was so good.
Good. I'll take another this one. You want another one? There you go.
Oh, look at that puppy. He's looking okay. There it goes.
That's smelly.
Good morning, guys. So I couldn't complete yesterday. Like I couldn't show anymore because everyone was so excited with Astro. We were just playing with him, and then the night was definitely difficult because he's a tiny baby and he was crying and all that stuff. But we are crate training him, so he slept the entire night in his crate, which was a good thing. And Marvel keeps playing around with him, and that's it. Me, Marvel, and Astro. Come on, I'll show you guys Astro. Astro! 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 Look at him under the couch. Marvel? This is his crate, his towel. He keeps pulling his towel away, and there he is sitting. Look at him. Do you want to play, Astro? Anyways, so I'm done with my tea. I have to make my shake right now, but I'm gonna go freshen up and make some shake. We already have lunch and everything. We're not gonna make anything because I made biryani last night and there's still left over. They even took it for their lunch, but still we have leftover. Just playing here. Anyways, I'll see you guys in some time with some more cute videos of Astro. So guys, I just took bath and everything. He's here in the crate, so I'm just gonna open him right now. And Marvel is right here. Hi, buddy. Hi, Marvel. No, don't take it away. Marvel just goes inside and steals all his toys.
He's eating all his food and medicine.
Oh, Marvel, no! Out! Marvel! Wrong! Okay, so I just opened him. He's right here. This tiny baby and this big baby is also right here. So, Marvel was actually sitting outside there in the patio. It's nice and sunny. And that's it. He's also trying to come out. I'll just get him outside. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end this vlog right now. I will see you in my next vlog, which I'll be starting very soon. So, till then, bye-bye.